For the volcanic eruption, you must learn about community warning system and emergency plans. Make evacuation plans if you live in non-volcanic hazard family contact. Plan a route out and have a backup routine. Ask someone outside the immediate area a relate often easier to conlag distance. Have a disaster emergency pack. Contains flashlight and extra batteries, first aid kit and manual, emergency food and water, non-electric can opener, essential medicine, mask, dirty shoes, and important document. During the volcanic eruption, you must follow the evacuation or the mission of the authorities. Protect yourself during ashfall. Wear a long-sleeve shirt and long pants. Use gallows to protect your eyes. Close all windows, doors, and dampers. Protect yourself during ashfall. Eyes. Use a dust mask or a old duck cloth over your face. Listen to a radio for the latest emergency information about the volcano. After the volcanic eruption, you must clear roofs of ashfall. Ashfall is very heavy and can cause collapse. Stay indoors until local officials declare it is safe. Is crucial a volcanic eruption.
Before, during, and after an earthquake.
Before, know how to use fire extinguisher. Learn to turn off gas, water, and electricity. Remove breakable objects in elevated places. Participate earthquake drills regularly. You must know the location of the emergency exit. During earthquake.
When an earthquake happens, immediately drop, cover, hold.
Remain calm as possible. Protect your head and body from falling debris. Stay in the open. Check the water, gases, and electric lines for damage. If any are damaged, damage, shut off the valves, and report it to the authority. Never use matches, lighters, or candle.